So, we have the parotid glands. We have the submandibular gland. We have the sublingual gland and the tongue. You have the stomach. Right, this is the esophagus. This is the region for the lower esophageal sphincter. And then regions of the stomach: cardia, fundus, body, and then pylorus all the way back. Pyloric antrum, pyloric canal, pyloric sphincter. That leads to the duodenum. Now, the stomach is covered by the serosa. Okay. Underneath the serosa are the layers of muscle. So on this, the opposite side, you can see the longitudinal muscle, you can see the circular muscle, and you can see the oblique muscle. You have the liver. So you have the inferior vena cava, the large right lobe, little left lobe, falciform ligament, gallbladder, and then we have the round ligament. Now, that's going to help separate the little left lobe from the large right lobe. So now let's take a look at the pancreatic duct. This one coming towards, from the left side is the left pancreatic. Okay. This one coming from the right side is the right. I'm sorry, I said pancreatic. I meant hepatic. This is the left hepatic. This is the right hepatic. And where they meet is called the common hepatic. Common hepatic, once intersected by the cystic duct, becomes the common bile duct. Common hepatic, common bile duct, cystic duct, gallbladder. Got that? Yeah. Common bile duct here to the common bile duct here, which drains into the duodenum at the hepatopancreatic ampulla. Little opening right there. See it? This is the pancreatic duct. This is the principal, larger of the two ducts of the pancreas. This is the accessory duct. They drain into the duodenum: amylase, lipase, proteases, buffers, join bile. Bile emulsifies the fat. Lipase digests the fat. This is the head of the pancreas. This is the body of the pancreas. This is the tail of the pancreas. This is the spleen. These are little lobules, sections of the pancreas. These little areas represent the lobules. Did I do this? Did I do it?
Not yet.
Okay. So we have the small intestine, and just looking at it superficially, we have the serosa, the outside. Okay. The muscularis. Got it. The submucosa, and the mucosa. Now, on the mucosal surface, we have these columnar epithelium in this model, they're orange. Goblet cells in blue. The epithelium are attached to the lamina propria in gray. In this one, they're showing you a lacteal. That's part of the lymphatic system. You have an arteriole and a venule. They are attached. That's called an anastomosis. This lymph nodule is called the Peyer's patch. This gland is called the Brenner's gland. This is called the intestinal crypt. This is a Pennant cell producing defensins. This is the intestinal pit. Yellow, submucosal plexus. Yellow here, myenteric plexus. Within the muscularis, you have the longitudinal and the circular. Since this is small intestine, there's no oblique. Okay. And I think that's it, right? The stomach? Yeah. All right, so here we have the small intestines. And the first portion of the small intestine is the duodenum. The second portion is the jejunum. The third portion is the ileum, which is connected to the cecum at the ileocecal valve here. So this is ileum, ileocecal valve, cecum. First portion of the large intestine. This is the appendix right here, painted on. Ascending colon, it bends, called the flexure, hepatic flexure. Okay. Transverse colon, which bends again, called the splenic flexure. Okay. Descending colon, sigmoid. The rectum and anus are not shown. You have the haustra, these pouches. and the tibia coli, this band of muscle here and over here. And that should be it.